Welcome to Rawal Park, a historical and picturesque park nestled in the heart of Rawalpindi. Rawal Park has been a favorite recreational spot for generations. Rawal Park features a range of sports facilities, including a cricket ground, a basketball ground, a gymnasium, a pavilion, and a designated prayer area. The jogging track, made of small stones, is designed for easy walking and running. One side of the track is lined with a boundary wall, while the other side is bordered by green grass and colorful flowers, enhancing the park's natural beauty. Adding to the park's charm are medium-sized sculptures of animals, such as lions, made out of stone. These sculptures not only enhance the park's aesthetic appeal but also provide interesting focal points for visitors. One of the main attractions of Rawal Park is its large football arena. This well-maintained space is perfect for football matches and practice sessions, drawing players and spectators alike. In addition to the main sports facilities, the park also has practice pitches for various sports, allowing athletes to hone their skills in a beautiful and peaceful environment. The park is adorned with a variety of colorful flowers, creating a vibrant and eye-catching display. These flowers are a blessing for the eyes, adding to the park's overall appeal. Rawal Park also boasts a spacious basketball stadium, providing ample space for basketball enthusiasts to play and enjoy the game. For those who love working out, the park features a well-equipped gym area. This space caters to fitness freaks who want to stay in shape while enjoying the outdoors. The jogging track in Rawal Park ranges from 500 to 900 meters, offering a perfect length for a refreshing jog or walk amidst nature. The park has a dedicated play area for kids, complete with various kinds of swings, benches for parents to relax on, and food stalls offering a variety of delicious treats. From burgers to parda rolls to barbecue chicken, there is something to satisfy every craving. All in all, Rawal Park is a place where everyone can find something to enjoy, from sports facilities and gym areas to vibrant flowers and delicious food. It is a true gem in our city, offering a perfect blend of relaxation, recreation, and natural beauty. And one fun fact, did you know that Rawal Park hosts annual flower shows and sports tournaments? It is also a popular spot for picnics and community gatherings. Come visit Rawal Park and experience the beauty, fun, and tranquility it has to offer.